Well, you could become a classic Corvette owner today by giving us a call at buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet Corvette L84 327 375 horsepower fuel injection coupe. This is a beautiful car in Nassau Blue. My goodness, seriously, classic Corvettes, nothing like them. Increase in value, and look, there's a link right below this video if you want to know the pricing and see some additional information and beautiful photos. You can click that link, but this is a car you should take a good look at. Code correct Nassau Blue on the exterior, code correct black vinyl interior. And under the hood, a numbers matching 375 horsepower, 327 cubic inch L84 fuel injection engine. The car has a 4-speed manual transmission, and it features those goldline tires as well. Has an AM/FM radio, power antenna, and we know it was originally assembled on February 5th, 1965. It's always fun to know that information. Now, this rare 65 Corvette Fuelie is in average condition. The car's paint is in average condition. It has a really good shine. The taillights and weather stripping are all in good condition, and the exterior door handles are average as well. Correct style hubcaps and steel wheels are very average, and the Coker Classic Goldline radial tires are in place. Now, the interior of this 65 Corvette L84 looks to be mostly older or original and boasts good condition steering wheel and dash pods. Correct appearing AM/FM radios in place, and a Hurst shifter has been added. Now, the numbers matching L84 fuel injected engine in this car shows original casting date of January 20th, 1965. Final assembly, January 28th, 65. Correct hose clamps, alternator, all in place, and the frame is solid. This car starts, runs, drives, and stops. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net at 770-414-5552. Remember, we ship nationwide every week here from buyavette.net, and we always tell you we are an online dealer. You can come into our showroom and look at all these beautiful cars anytime you're traveling through Atlanta. But remember, we can sell a car online, and it's something that you can buy online with ease and with confidence here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor, and we have a whole it's just unbelievable group of classic Corvettes coming in right now. So give us a call, buyavette.net. We hope to hear from you really soon. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience.